This area of body marked 32 found at Wenzi Medical Center. My lord, this was the exhibit. I processed the portion from it. My lord, this is exhibit 37-2,
Which is?
which is
-2-4.
-2, my lord, which is swab taken from the face area of body marked 37. Found at Wenzi Medical Center. My lord, this was the exhibit. I processed the portion from it. My lord, this is 37-1,
Which is?
swab taken, swab of the reference blood sample taken from the cut wound on the neck of body marked 37. Found at Wenzi Hospital. My lord, the sample was a reference sample consumed. My lord, the last on the exhibits which I processed is okay, which is buccal swab taken from the suspect, Okello Christopher Onyum.
Would you please repeat that?
My lord, it's exhibit okay, which is the buccal swab,
What's that?
the sample picked from the mouth,
From
the
the
saliva sample, taken from the suspect, Okello Christopher Onyum. Different sample consumed. My lord, those are the exhibits I processed.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Then for my lord, we pray to have the exhibits processed by the analyst tendered as prosecution exhibits collectively.
Yes, Miss Sarah.
No objection.
How many are they in number? I have 27.
Yes, my lord, there are
There are
27.
27.
Yes.
Okay. All the exhibits, which are 27 in number, have been admitted and collectively marked PEX 16A.
Okay. Most obliged, my lord. Okay. So what happened to the rest of the exhibits that were not processed?
My lord, on the police form 17A had 40 exhibits. 27 in number were processed as per the letter from the divisional CID Kabaragara. 13 exhibits, my lord, were not processed.
Yes.
Out of the 13, my lord, we had X-2, and my lord, I beg your pardon, X-8.
We need the ones that were not processed. Prosecution, do we need them?
To
need
account for what was received at the lab.
Okay.
Most obliged.
Okay, what was not processed?
Yes.
My lord, out of the 13, the ones which were not processed, it was OK-1,
X.
out of the 13, my lord, I had X-8,
Which is?
which was a smartphone mode, that is in brackets, Villion, mode V651W, black in color, found in the third pocket of exhibit X.
It was found where?
It was found in the third pocket of exhibit X. My road exhibit X was also not processed. The other exhibit, my road,
Yes.
was X-12,
Which is?
which was one black SIM button phone found in the fourth pocket of exhibit marked X.
Yes.
My road, those two exhibits were forwarded to the relevant laboratory, which is the cybercrime unit, for specific examination.
Yes.
My road, the other exhibits which were not processed and are present with us here in court included X, which was a black Ideal back bag.
Ideal?
It has the word Ideal
Yes.
back bag, where exhibits X-1 to X-13 were found.
Yes.
My road, this bag was found already recovered by the first responders at the scene.
Yes.
My road, X-1, it is an intro prior with red and black handle. Found in the first pocket of exhibit X. X.
Yes.
My road, the other exhibit which is present with us is X-2, which is a golden 263 padlock with 3 keys found in the first pocket of exhibit marked X.
Yes.
My road, another exhibit was X-10,
Which is?
a pair of orange and cream hand socks found in the third pocket of exhibit marked X.
A pair of?
Orange and cream hand socks found in the third pocket of exhibit marked X. My road, the other exhibit was NP.
Just hold on a little.
It was what?
NP, my road, which was the buccal sample, the buccal swab taken from Namutevi Fiob, a caretaker. buccal swab taken from Namutebe Fiob, a caretaker.
Yes.
The other exhibit, my lord, is R-1,
Which is?
a white flowered apron with suspected blood stains recovered. A white flowered apron with suspected blood stains recovered from the victim, Namutebe.
Okay, yes.
The other exhibit which was not processed was R-2,
Which is?
a long-sleeved yellow blouse with suspected blood stains recovered from the victim, Namutebe.
Yes. Next.
My lord, the other exhibit was R-3, which was a white skirt with the suspected blood stains recovered from Namutebe Fiob. The other exhibit, my lord, was 10-1.
What is 10-1?
It was a black kitchen knife with a black and silver handle. With a rebel pigeon.
Okay. Next.
Found already recovered by the first respondent. The first respondent at the scene. Found recovered, already recovered by the first respondent at the scene.
Yes.
My lord, the other exhibit is 10-2,
Which is?
which was a black and silver kitchen knife with a black handle and a rebel pigeon found already recovered by the first respondent at the scene. And lastly, my lord, OK-1,
Which
was,
is?
yes, which
Okay.
is the blood sample in a purple top vacuteina, a purple top vacuteina. Taken from Onyum Christopher Okello. My lord, those are the exhibits which were not processed.
My lord, we pray to tender the unprocessed exhibits also as prosecution exhibits. Collectively, my lord.
Yes, Miss Awelo.
No objection.
How many are they after you removed the X1 and X2?
My lord, there are 11 exhibits.
Okay, the unprocessed exhibits, which are 11 in number, have been admitted and collectively marked as PX16B.
Most obliged. That is all, my lord, for this witness.
Please doing cross-examination, if any. Please, you, Miss Awelo, please proceed.